May 11 daw at hindi June 14 ang end of school year ng 2023 to 2024. Hello everyone! It's Brenty and family and welcome back to our school update series. May mga kumakalat na bali-balita nga na May 11, 2024 daw ang end of school year ng 2023-2024 at hindi June 14. So mukhang hindi kami updated as teacher. Meron po tayong sinusunod na number of school days and kung totoo na May 11 ang end of school year, ay lalabagin natin ang batas. According sa DepEd Order No. 22 Series of 2023, pursuant to Republic Act No. 11480, otherwise known as an act to lengthen the school calendar from 200 days to not more than 220 class days. So based sa Republic Act No. 11480, kinakailangan natin ng 200 to 220 number of school days sa isang buong school year. Kung mapapaaga ang end of school year ng May 11, hindi natin mabubuo or hindi tayo makakabuo ng 200 to 220 class days at pwede nating labagin ang RA 11480 unless otherwise amended. Ibig sabihin, kung makakagawa sila ng batas na pwedeng paikliin or bawasan yung school days. So, hindi naman ganun kadali ang paggawa ng batas, 'di ba? So, ngayong taon hindi siya applicable and ang susundin pa rin natin ay yung June 14 according sa DepEd calendar. Kaya aantayin po natin ang mga susunod na update from DepEd kung may pagbabago ba sa end of school year. And abangan din natin kung may ilalabas na memo or update ang DepEd about sa issue na to. As of now, ang susundin pa rin natin na end of school year ay ang June 14, 2024. Okay? Don't forget to follow and share. Bye!